So, you want smart lighting. You head out, you buy a whole bunch of smart bulbs, and you spend a small fortune just to get one room with a big light fixture sorted. You get them all screwed in, download the app, wrestle with connecting each one, group them all together, and finally you have the smart room you always dreamed of. It feels like you're living in the future. Then, the first time a guest comes over, or maybe it's your own partner or your kids, they do this. They walk into the room, and out of pure instinct, they flip the light switch. And just like that, your expensive futuristic so-called smart room is offline, completely unresponsive to your app or voice commands. You're left with a version of your old light that's now somehow even more frustrating. I've been using both smart bulbs and smart switches in my home for years, so I know the good, the bad, and the very ugly of each. Today, I'm going to show you why, for most situations, there is a much better way. This one switch is better than 10 smart bulbs, and I'm going to show you how it fixes all these problems, saves you a ton of money, and makes your smart home actually, smart. Smart lighting is one of the best upgrades for your home, offering convenience and efficiency. But when you're planning an upgrade, you face a key choice: smart bulbs, smart switches, or smart relays. While smart bulbs are popular, a single smart switch or a smart relay can often be a superior choice for your entire home. Let's explore why replacing smart bulbs with smart switches or relays is actually better. Smart bulbs are easy to install. You just screw them in, and they offer cool features like changing colors and dimming through an app, but they come with a major frustration. If someone flips the physical light switch, the bulb loses power and becomes completely unresponsive. Your small bulb is suddenly not so smart anymore. Smart switches or smart relays solve this problem and offer a more integrated and reliable solution. A huge advantage of smart switches or relays is their ability to control your home existing lighting system. Instead of replacing every bulb in a fixture, one smart switch or relay can control all the lights connected to it. This is perfect for rooms with multiple lights like kitchens or living rooms. You get smart control over all your normal bulbs with just a single installation. This approach is not only more efficient but also more cost-effective. While the upfront cost of a single smart switch can be higher than a single smart bulb, it becomes much cheaper when you have a fixture with many bulbs. Replacing 10 bulbs adds up quickly, whereas one switch controls them all for a fraction of the total cost. So, how do you actually do this? You have a couple of great options. You can use a dedicated smart light switch that replaces your existing wall switch entirely. Or you can use a smart relay, which is what I've done. This little device gets wired in directly behind your existing light switch. I just connected it to the power and the switch itself, tucking it away inside the wall. This way, I get to keep the original look of my switch while adding the relay behind the switch. It involves some wiring, so if you're not comfortable doing it, it's best to call an electrician. But it's not a hard job. If you decide to do it yourself, just make sure to turn off the power while working with the wires. Once installed, you integrate it into your smart home platform. I'm using Home Assistant. This is where the magic happens. I can create a simple automation like having my lights turn on if motion is detected. The great part is that the process is basically the same whether you're using Home Assistant, Homey, Google Home, Amazon Alexa, or any other platform. On the other hand, smart switches blend right into your home because they replace your existing switches, maintaining a clean and consistent look. More importantly, they function like a traditional switch. This means anyone in your home, including guests, can use the lights without needing a special app or a voice command. There's no confusion and no risk of someone accidentally turning off the power to your smart bulbs. This also makes smart switches more reliable. Smart switches or relays control the power directly at the source, ensuring all your lights respond instantly every time. While smart bulbs are great for areas where you need RGB lighting, like floor lamps, kids' rooms, areas where you need customizing your color of the lights, but they have several drawbacks. Many are not compatible with existing dimmer switches, which can cause flickering or buzzing. Another major headache is how they handle power outages. When the power comes back on, many smart bulbs will turn on to full brightness. This can be annoying if the power is restored in the middle of the night. Even worse, if the power flickers on and off a few times in a row, The rapid power cycling can cause many bulbs to reset into pairing mode, forcing you to set them up all over again. Each bulb also needs to be set up and paired individually, which can be a hassle. Furthermore, every smart bulb is another device on your network. By using a single smart switch or relay, you simplify your setup and reduce the number of connected devices you need to manage. The bottom line is that even though smart bulbs are easy to install, they have some downsides. I think smart bulbs have their place in areas where you need RGB lights, or maybe in areas you want to have a specific color on the light when an alarm is triggered. But in an area with a lot of lights, I would recommend a smart switch or a smart relay. It's more cost effective, reliable, and better than smart bulbs. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments what's the right choice for you. If you enjoyed the video, you can subscribe for more smart home tips and reviews. See you in the next one.